You want to get your business online so that you can actually start reaching your audience and making money in your business. So why does it have to be so complicated and difficult? Why can't it just be simple? I hear you. Figuring out the steps and in what order to do them can be truly overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. I have a plan for you to get your business online simply and strategically, and the best part is it's free. Welcome, I'm Alli, and I help entrepreneurs elevate their brand and online presence so that they can connect with their audience quickly and confidently and make more money online easily. And while all that sounds great, it can be sometimes a little bit ominous trying to navigate how to make it happen. In fact, the number one reason that people have trouble getting their business going online is that they don't know where to start or that they don't know what to do next. Instead of knowing what to work on when, they end up sitting down and staring at a blank screen. Or they go over to Google and they type in start a business and then end up reading a bunch of articles and watching endless videos trying to figure it out. Does this sound familiar? I know this because years ago when I started my own business, I did this too. I had to learn the hard way, but you don't have to. After helping dozens and dozens of entrepreneurs create their brands and websites, I've streamlined the process of designing and launching into 4 phases. Phase 1 is your business setup, because you need to start out by setting up your business with a really solid foundation. It would be horrible to waste a bunch of precious time creating content that doesn't end up getting you clients because you didn't lay this foundational groundwork first. So in this first phase, part of what you're going to do is set up business foundations like getting your domain, setting up your business email, setting up your social media accounts, and deciding where to host your website. But in this phase, you're also going to set up a pre-launch strategy, which is so important because that's going to help you build an audience as you build your business. That way, when you go to launch, you aren't going to hear crickets. By starting your business with a solid and strategic foundation, you're going to be off to a really great start. The second stage is branding, and the goal is really to brand your business in a way that really captures the heart of you and your business and what you're building, and also aligns with your dream clients. Yes, of course, a logo could be as simple as just typing in your business name and calling it a day, but that's not the way to build an effective brand for your business. What you need to do is find a connection point between you and your dream client, and then be able to communicate that connection point through all of the visuals that you use and in the copy that you write. In this phase, you'll complete tasks like pinpointing your brand's personality and voice, learning how to use color and shape psychology to select all of the elements that you're going to use to represent your business, actually building out your brand and applying it everywhere you show up online. Next, you're going to focus on both your copy and your visuals. This is phase 3, which is content creation. As a business owner, your ability to take your brand visuals and your copy and be able to connect them with the desires of your dream client is going to be the key to your success online. So in this phase, you'll be doing market research and keyword research and learning how to write for use online so that you can convert your audience. And you'll also be optimizing images for use online. At the end of this phase, you're going to have all of your content ready to go and ready to drop into your website as you build it and into your social media as you start promoting your business. And that leads us to the last phase, which is phase 4, website building. Creating a website can feel like a completely daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. We are so lucky that these days there are tons of free and easy to use page builders to help us get it done. And when I say website, I'm not talking about this massive multi-page site. A simple one-pager or landing page with one offer is really all you need to get your business going. Now, if you're thinking, Alli, I'm going to need some more hand-holding and specific direction on the tasks that it's going to take to get this all done, not to worry, I've got you covered. I took these 4 phases and broke them down into 30 tasks so that you can check one task off every day so that you can simply and strategically get your business launched or relaunched within 1 month. Inside of my 30 Days to Launch playbook, I've paired each task with a prompt that tells you what you need to do and what tools you need to do it. Don't worry, they're all free tools. This way you can actually get it done. The best part is that you can get it for free. Just head over to free30daylaunch.com to get it. Launching or relaunching your business is going to be so much easier when you have a plan to get it done. Click the video that's on your screen right now to learn 6 reasons why having a plan impacts your ability to successfully make money online.